Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Magoro bengi ya umwancho murigere ribwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV ekerongo ege naritko lya uri abere ritoere rukegima nanene kwa bere go kwego kyase ukubwate mirobere yonsi egeta seni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo mugusi ekero rire ritko lya Jumanne kitariki 53 cyo mutienyi oikominarimo omwaka no igwekiri wibere na meronko ebere nebere nekera bono murobere obo gosangereria ebirengerero kurwase abana inchigoro ya magendero aliya baganetia bega kwe wali bagari tangani aba obendrate asechinsemo Ensa ya Kenya ekero abana inchi nabo igo ababwatani bagenderete wesokia na kubwatuka ebirengerere byabo asimono baganiria barayi kweneke bunanko baikiraniria bare amagendero ase egeka kemyaka 5 bare ase abisi na kubwatukana no mugiro bw'abakora imirimo musi w'abarunde b'ikindege uyogenderete kwenekigwa ase company ya Kenya Airways litkolia rero nigo eke gose nigo eke gambiro kigetenderete amangana iyo gose amangana y'abakora imirimo yabage kurogo chika go cyase abakora imirimo bonse ya sector yo babe bakwirana emirimo litkoria ankyo gusonta ribo bakwimukirwa egetambukero kewenerete mwancho murigereri nigo yaragirense mo yabono mugoroba cinga kindaite go kwarigania eriyo nkomanyebuna narayana kwariganirie asenchera ere yobwekirana uko nditanganike yimatigana kumanyiga tiari nkwariganirete asenchera ere yobwenye
kile sublocation tu achire ebikale bibwate abananchi abange na maoni bakorwa igale aja imemono
umuroberi obwo gosangereria birengere by'abananchi ko bwatikana na magenderero ni gogenderete
nobody is interfering with that money.
Muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu batebe buna kibesa cye university tikirigo cyo gukunononde.
This is the supreme law of the land. This is the guiding factor.
No mu Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Mochore Jafet Kome konenkiwa ne kamati y'ebunge. Mwancho murigereri ya munayanda manke ngo kwarigani eri ngumanya senchira ere yobwikirano ekerango konyerona nabo kogendera otonyora sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tubwatetera Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News by go as website yaito nigora tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eri togendere gusanga mankere tariane Evelyn Osero uritokubatirana nere kwene kyawe kera sensemo yimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta kabana ntwe komerio Kukwariga ntachake Amayia Eyemo korwase county ya Kisii awase omuroberi w'obwoko gose bwo sangerere birengera korwase abananchi muroberi umanyikanite na public participation ogendrete erisekera bono abananchi bagendete kubwatuka ibirengera byabo nabo igo amagani yabo kubwatukana nale baganitie achekwe wali bagaringa litangani ase oburayi bwabono ane nasegeka kemyaka 5 eribosyo abamenyi korwase sub location ya Mwamusyo my location ya Nyabururu imeka ya Kisii nigo litkolia rero besokia sebagani umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kubwatirana n'abarayi bande korwase kinsemo cyonsi me county ya Kisii kubaikiraneria amagendero asegeka kemyaka 5 muri cyo ito Josephat Amisi no roboti urwasenchira y'ubwikirano
itukoria kabererero magigam yabamenyi be sublocation kunyara ko baba gwesokia eri kwenda na ebirengera byabo igoro ya omurobiri wa magendero baranyara ko bakolerwa ase sublocation cyabo imeye county ya Kisii
kolia umuntu okora magana umubekera cyome kimbe umugambi gusenagenda town mutaga tokonya tonyoro muntu yo mwanya mataro iga utolendera cyombe
Litkolia rero nigo abamenyi be sublocation ya Mwamusyo yego toka miyo location ya Nyabururu banyara ko bagwesokia sobongo eri kwenekia ngabanyara ko bakwena na ebirengera byabo
Borobore ni onare indengeretinga abangi nambale bakwate ebyombe awawe binge gaika ebyombe biga obolemi obwo yale kunyalekana kere ebyombe kebagerwe obolemi bwale gokora gotwale gosibona sara ne serikali gete nenere chinyeni gete nenere chinchoke gete nenere obolemi awa
amache mono mugambi kuna alia matoke muna indu twale kanyora amache na graph kintu anya kanyora amache na wene tatu muke goika engaki ya January umaete toko liyenjera ngaki tora aros chibese engaki muna liye kiangazi kwane ngaki muna liye ya January kanyora amache ali muna indu twale toro abalemi nabo gosime kachingaki chingeni anyore osiale na amache ali egaro engaki ye chire ero ire moyo nabo kanyora chibese ngore ntwale ko basabanga ki ali karamake gakie county government
ngati abali banyara kwa gwikirana asomeye goyo no director w'umoroberio public participation Hilary oyogokeire engencho abamenyi bagenda toko bagwesokia chinsemo chonsi ime county ya Kisii nabo igo obasegetire banyara kwa bagwesokia sobonge elekwendeke banyara kwa bakwerena ebirangirari byabo
twagokire sana kurutwata program ye igoro tuonchokana ni sublocation chi nyinge emekutane menge abananchi bakorega asiengi yabarura maoni amange naende nokogani kwa abananchi nga maoni yabo asoese CIDP naenda akoregasi egere obo koreri bwa serikali bobo buya
Boigo Omosbati Atem Elizabeth oyore omo deputy county commissioner imea Kitutu Central Sub County nigo anyareko bago chingiromo yegoyo ase boigo nere anyareko baga kubagania abantu banyareko bagwesokia sobonge eli banyareko bakwena na ebirangirari byabo.
We were meeting the residents of this place to collect views with regard to the preparation of the CIDP document. In this exercise, we are partnering the national government with the county government, and essentially it is because development is for all of us. So you will see the assistant chiefs taking a lead role in mobilization and also in making sure that the sittings are secured and creating an enabling environment for people to share freely. You will see officers from the county government, the ward administrators who are secretaries in these sittings, assisting and guiding for wananchi to give their views. I would urge members of the public to turn out in large numbers. We appreciate since yesterday we've seen a very good turnout. Like in this venue we had over 400 participants, and in other subsequent venues we'd want people to turn out and discuss real issues that affect them.
Koro kunyabururu sublocation enya abwesi tuacha kuira ibirengerere bya abanyakenyoro igo kulingana ne CIDP yekorosiwa twaetira ase chinsemo chinyinge twarorire ng'abananchi bagokeire omoroberio oyo kubwa monombarere dikorwa maoni igoro ye project bataete bakorerwe mugabano ito tunarudisha shukrani zetu nyingi kwako kiagera abantu bagokeire omubango oyo iga
kuripoteri Kisii Ndizi TV kurwa esa blocation mwa musioma ime location ya Nyabururu ime constituency ya Kitutu Church South ime county ya Kisii
Ritana na Josephat Hamisi
Miamano morikeito Josephat Hamisi ase oroboti ororo ikiranu korwa ase county ya Kisii karabona abananchi basemerete bunamba chigo gwikiranirwa amagendero ari anene abetega kuriye gwachira chinga kyabarayi bo barenke kwerigeria chikura tokotikana nayo nigo omo inspector general w'abanyanyimbo omochore Jafet Kome abaga kunenkiwa ne kamati ebunge igoro yari arachie gokorera umwananchi chinga kyarabega erietari ari raberigo rigwetiwa eriogo chaka obokoreri bwaye bene koirari bagari yaye Hilary Mtyambai okwana chinga kicho kunenkiwa nigo Kome abagakoria echira au echara chikoikiraniria abananchi chinga kyaracha kobokoreri gati yabo koreta monchererio asobokoreri bw'abanyanyimbo nabo igo gukora amangana yobo ibibwetubo hayogendete koenekiwa ase chinsemo au
This is the supreme law of the land. This is the guiding factor. Anything we do, this is our anchor. This is what owns our country together. And as I said, this is our country. We cannot have a situation where it is the IG breaking the law. The Constitution is very clear. Talks about the right to life. It's very clear. Who am I as a policeman to decide to take somebody's life? Under my watch, anybody attempting that one will face the law. We must allow every citizen of this country to enjoy his whole.
Semi Ezekiel Machoguni gateire una serikali terigo chigotenenia chibese chikoina nwa gochiase chi university okwana sensemo ya Kiambu Institute of Science and Technology Machogubo igoni gabaga kwegerera enkwana yaye yabeteka gokwana ase university ya Dedan Kimathi asate babuna novo semia arwete gochiase bali babwate okobwa kwene kiabuna nkwerigi bale chinchera chyo kweregeria eryo goikerania amagani abo.
I want to assure our universities that this is ring-fenced and nobody is interfering with that money. Even the cost-cutting measures that are being undertaken with other sectors of the economy for education, all the funds as allocated by Parliament are ring-fenced.
Waziri wobochenu Susan Wafula nigo ritkolyarera baga okoretaro yaye gochiase amagacho ekyombe yokwena na mariogo gya Kemsa asensemo ya Imbakasi ime mucho Nairobi okwana chinga kechyo Wafula nigate babuna ebodi tinirete ekyombe kyo neche kwene kiango kiniero bokoreri anene ase okomenta marioga ya koreto kurwase chinsemo awo na watabuna ekyombe kyo ngichkwene ke bokoreri burobu ya gochiase abananchi.
Things that we have agreed with the board of directors and the CEO is improvement on operational efficiency, that we are able to increase our order fill rate from the current 56%, and we have a target to get to at least 80, and we are hoping to achieve that in the next few months. The other thing that we have discussed, which the management is going to work towards through the board, is to ensure that we bring down the cost of HPTs and that we are competitive, and we want to promise Kenyan that moving forward, KEMSA is going to be their one-stop shop for all the HPTs that they are required for the public facilities.
Ababwata ni korwase byombe ao ebyo bikorwania mario yogotindia ase orogongorwa Afrika ni goba umeranire gosbaba kumerana eri gokwanira igoro yemerobero babwenta kobeka koene kyabuna nkorwania bare obotumeki bwa mario yogotindia ase orogongorwa Afrika korengana no musiyo wekyombe kya Nakada Victor Kioma ni gatebuna abarayimbo bwente gochamo nabo igokobwaterana eri gokora obotumeki bwa mario yogotindia ne naseke gorigeke unenchire Eyemo yo
The region has since become a destination to these drugs, which explains growing presence of narcotic drugs and new psychoactive substances in our communities. Regrettably, the situation has continued to a worrying increase in substance use disorders and mental health.
But that we have not done our good job in implementing what we've committed to do. We need to increase the implementation rate of those commitments that have been made, and I think that's what we're here today also, to see how the implementation can be improved.
Umugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Fernandez Barasa ritkori nigo aseritkoria kabere aikabosio bwe kyombe gyo korwania obokurumine chimbwa Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC eryokwiraneria amaboyi igoro yobotumeki bwechiringi chi bilioni 15 ekyo kyatumekire ase o chinguru chomorero asensemo ya Electricana nigo Barasa baga kwegerera nabo igo kwegerera emiremo yaye askeri atebuna nare tayare koiraneri mabori andonsi arache kuboriwa nekyombekyo.
As we speak right now, we are now getting electricity from wind from Lake Turkana because of the transmission line, which I was the key person implementing the line. So the issues I've come to confirm here is I believe accountability as a public officer, and always anytime I'm required. Right now I'm a governor. Anytime I'm required by any office to clarify on issues, I'll always honor that invitation. So there isn't anything to worry about. That's what I'm saying. I'm very excited and very happy to be associated with this project because I delivered the project as a CEO of Ketraco, and it is a project which has put Kenya on the global map. So far, there are many officers who are being invited here. So it's not a Baraza Fernandes affair.
Omugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni gaganiria bamenyi be county eyo weso kyana usimeke mete asobonge munenchira Eyemo yokorwania ogochencha kwerire nabe gukoro muchando bumurakera uyogenderete kwenekiwa ase chinsemechu yani gaya kwana ase karo nababwatani au eri gukwanira emiroberi ebwenerete kwegwari bagaritanganya sensemo ya magendro imeye county ya Machakos wa Vinya boigo nigo abori abamenyi be county eyo kweneki obomo egatiabo na nene konya bali bakirwe no muchando bwenchara kubwatikana no murakera.
Tuko na food crisis, hakuna chakula. Chakula sasa ni shida. Tuangalie vile tutaweza kuchunga mazingira yetu. Na tuhakikishe yale yote tulisema katika agreement ile ya Paris ya 2015. Tuhakikishe yale yote yalisemwa tumeimplement ndio tuweze kusaidika kama wananchi.
Omubunke ofafi sala yakubniga ayegereire nkwana yaya igoro yegeka kyobokoreri bumurai wensemense ya Kenya askeri atairebuna enkwana yaye tiya murengete murai onde bwensi aneno murai wenso bono Dr. William Samuel Ruto na watayona eye nigo bosiniga kwane tamanganaya kubwatikana na keria omurai wense arabega gokorera abananchi bunenchire Eyemo yokoreta magendero imeyense ya Kenya.
In that he came in, we given him only 2 terms. In the 2 terms he have done marvelous. But the constitution removed him in that he could not go further. But I believe if you could have given him 1 or 2 terms again, maybe you could have reached the status of Malaysia or Singapore or any other person. So that's why I said, surely is it advisable to remove somebody because of a time limit while he's performing? If you go into the corporate world, the CEO of Cooperative Bank has been there for a long time, but he has not been removed. Why? Because he's performing well. The bank is going well. Go to Equity, the same. So these are corporate itself, though it's a state different, but if you are performing well, you should not be removed. Assuming that now the current